24 scale RC, and I got this on Amazon for like $30. So, and we're gonna go ahead what this guy's all about, and I think this is the cheapest one you can get. I mean, I know the 124 scale, the RCs out there in Amazon, they're like, I think it's like $75, something like that. But anyway, this one's like 30. You guys can look it up. And this one's supposedly go about, what, 40 kilometers for RC. For, I mean, I think that's pretty quick for this size. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's this all about. Yeah, this one right here is 124 scale, and this one can go about 40 kilometers. So it's brushed motor, and see what it's all about. And I'm not even sure what color it is, because I think it's the last one color to pick, but I think it might be yellow. But we're gonna go ahead and see. It is yellow. Pretty cool, pretty cool. See what it has. See what you can get for $30. Well, look at this. For $30, you get a nice RC controller. You can change your settings here for your turn control, I guess. And it comes with this. You get this battery here. I don't know if it's a lithium battery or a lithium or but it's nice that it comes with it. And you get extra pin, you get an extra. So this is what you get in the box. Like I said, man, it's cool. I mean, getting into it now. And this is about it. But this thing is tiny. If you can compare this to my Rise Tello. Pretty interesting with a micro level drum. And also if you want to go to compare it to how you call this? This one is what? 132 scale. You can see the difference. So it comes with this extra pens, just in case you lose them, or I don't know. You can, I think you can also order this. You got Allen wrench that comes with it. So you get this nice chargers here, and then you get this battery. And I think it's one other thing that you charge on the side. Here you go. You guys can see here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. I mean, for the size, it's nice. I mean, you know, you can ride this anywhere. And you can see here this nice spring. Let's see. Yeah, it's a nice stiff spring. It's not like, you know, so you go throw it like this, you're gonna jump around like crazy. But, you know, it has that suspension. I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, for this size with lightweight, you don't really need that much suspension. I mean, you do because you're gonna go so fast and turn, but I think just having a spring is not bad. It's fine. And of course, you can see here, and this is where you you put the battery. So you just put it in here on the edge, and that's a good thing. And then you guys can see, and that's about it. Yeah, so yeah, it has that little cool suspension to it, so it's not bad. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.